In this tutorial, you will learn how to register offline your copy of FileZilla CLI. If you're behind a corporate firewall that doesn't allow FileZilla CLI to register, or you need to register your copy without internet access, you might need to register offline. Launch FileZilla CLI. In the Register Now prompt, choose the Offline option. In the Enter Registration Confirmation prompt, choose No. In order to register your copy of FileZilla Pro, you need the registration key. If you don't have the registration key, you can use your purchase details to register. Enter your registration key. The registration request is shown. You can copy it to the clipboard or save it to a file. Now visit FileZilla Pro registration website. Either paste the registration request, or if you have saved it in a file, click Browse to load the file. Accept FileZilla Pro terms and conditions. Submit the registration request. A confirmation code is created. Either copy it to the clipboard or save it to a file. Back to FileZilla CLI. Enter the registration confirmation code. Now FileZilla CLI is registered. In this video, you learned how to register FileZilla CLI offline. FileZilla CLI is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint.